right, so this basil plant, I want to teach you one thing. Do you see what's happening here? This right here is a flower starting. Really, plants want to go to flower so they can make seeds. That's their job. But if you don't want that to happen, because once that happens, the plant is going to start dying back, it's not going to taste the same, you just need to pinch down lower, right there where you see more stems coming out the side. Just pinch the flower top off. You can eat that, that's fine. But anytime you see the plant starting to grow tall and get the little flower on top, just go ahead and go down and give it a pinch so that it'll stop that process. All right, that will help you keep your bushy basil for longer.